Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Edit Set for Sun by Cult Beauty. This box is currently on Cult Beauty for £40 with a value of £175. The box does come in a very sleek minimalist design, which is perfect for storage or regifting. When we look inside, it is quite well packaged and it's not too much of the confetti. The first product that I am excited for is the Cult Beauty fan. Sorry for the headphone users. The first sunscreen in this box is Supergoop, the glow screen. I already have one of these and a mini, but always happy to have more. I've heard a lot of good things about this. I haven't quite got onto it yet, but I'm moving on to it next, and I can't wait to review this for you guys. Another sunscreen that I already have, but I've heard it really good, is by the Inkey List. It is the Dewy sunscreen. Both of these are full size. Next we have a mini, a travel size, of the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, SPF 30. I haven't heard a lot about this, but I've heard people saying that they wish it was more than 30, but we'll see. We have a full size of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Dew Balm. I've never tried this one. I didn't know they did SPF. I know they do mostly skincare. I've only tried their toner so far. This is also SPF 30 and it's 16.5 grams. It looks like a travel size, but it's a full size. We have another SPF 50 in this box, which is by Laneige. It's the Hydro UV Defense X SPF 50. This is 20ml. It's a travel size. I like the packaging on this. It's very sleek. Lastly, for the face, we have Ultra Sun SPF 50, which is moisturizing and anti-aging. This is a travel size. I've never heard of this one before, honestly, but I have a feeling this is going to be really good. And lastly, we have a product for hair, which I'm quite intrigued about. It's the Philip Kingsley Swim Cap, which shields your hair from chlorine and basically people like me with bleached hair turning green. I have heard that this is really good. It does help blondes, so I can't wait to try this during the summertime. And this is a full size. It's 100ml. So if you do bleach your hair, this might be good for you too. And this brings us to the end of this very quick unboxing. If you'd like to see more videos like this from me, unboxings and empties, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!